So students, we were studying about the semi-conservative nature of DNA. You can see there are double helical structure of DNA present here. In case of semi-conservative, I want to tell you that there is a parental helix, is this blue color of helix is the parent helix, and yellow color of helix is the new new form strand or new form DNA helix, right? So these two helical structure of DNA is made up of these two DNA is made up of one DNA, where one parental helix is conserved. Obviously, this is the in case of first replication. What is replication? Formation of DNA is called the replication, right? So parental DNA is this. You can see one parental helix is conserved here. After this, you will see the second replication. Obviously, from this DNA, two DNA will form. From this DNA, two DNA will form. Here also, you can see this blue color of DNA is the parental DNA, and this yellow color of DNA is a parental DNA, and again yellow color of DNA is a new DNA. New DNA strand is formed here, right? So we can say, by this we can say that DNA has a semi-conservative nature, right? This is proved by the experiment, that is Michelson and Stahl. Michelson and Stahl was the scientist. They had proved it by their experiment. You can see here what happened. They had taken the original DNA in a 15 nitrogen. 15 nitrogen. This is the isotope, radioactive isotope of nitrogen. 15 nitrogen. Clear? Uh, Sorry, 14 nitrogen is a radioactive, right? You can see here centrifuge after DNA and cesium chloride. After centrifugation, what he found, that this is the simple parental DNA. In the second experiment, what he found, that there is a 15N and 14N. You can say, why nitrogen takes place here? Because your nitrogenous bases are present in the DNA helix, in the nucleotide. That's why, right? And these nitrogenous bases contains nitrogen. That's why here 15 N nitrogen takes place, and here transfer cells to 14 and grow for one generation. Centrifuge DNA and cesium chloride. What happened? Hybrid DNA is formed. One strand is of 15 nitrogen, and the second one is of 14 nitrogen. Clear? In the second generation, what he found? In the second generation, he found again that there is a 14 nitrogen also, and 15 nitrogen and 14 nitrogen of DNA also. Clear? Is it clear, student? You can see here, this is original DNA, this is the first generation of DNA, and this is the second generation of DNA. Means to say, second replication is there. You can see this is the 14 nitrogen, and this is a 14 nitrogen. Both are here. You can see. So this is all about Michelson and Stahl experiment. It shows the semi-conservative nature of DNA, right? That one helix of DNA is obviously parental DNA, and the second one is the new formed helix, helix or new formed strain. Clear? So thank you, student. Hope you people are getting. If you have any doubt, please ask me or message me. Thank you.